This Weber Lumin Outdoor Electric Barbecue Grill in vibrant yellow is designed for those who love grilling but have limited outdoor space. Perfect for patios, balconies, and decks, this compact, portable, and versatile grill promises to elevate your urban grilling experience. In this detailed review, we'll explore what makes the Weber Lumin a standout choice for modern outdoor cooking. One of the most impressive features of the Weber Lumin is its ability to reach temperatures over 600 F. This high heat capability is essential for achieving those perfect sear marks that grill enthusiasts crave. Whether you're cooking steaks, burgers, or vegetables, Lumin ensures a deliciously charred exterior while maintaining juicy interiors. The consistent high heat also means you can cook food faster, which is perfect for weeknight dinners or when you're entertaining guests. The Weber Lumin is not just a grill. It's a multifunctional cooking device that offers various cook settings. You can sear, smoke, steam, or boil, making it a versatile addition to your cooking arsenal. The ability to switch between these functions easily is a significant advantage. For example, you can start by searing a steak to get a nice crust, then switch to the smoke setting to infuse it with rich, smoky flavors. The steam function is also handy for cooking delicate items like fish or vegetables, ensuring they remain moist and flavorful. Keeping food warm is often a challenge during gatherings. The Weber Lumin addresses this with its Keep Warm setting. You can keep food warm without overcooking it, allowing guests to serve themselves at their convenience. This feature is perfect for buffet-style meals, where different dishes are served at different times. It ensures that everyone can enjoy hot, freshly cooked food even if they come back for seconds. One of the unique features of the Weber Lumin is its ability to grill food from frozen. This is made possible through its innovative steam system that thaws frozen foods while the grill preheats. Once the food is thawed, you can immediately start grilling, saving you time and hassle. This is especially useful for busy individuals who may not always have the time to defrost food ahead of time. Whether it's frozen steaks, chicken breasts, or shrimp, the Lumin makes weeknight meals more manageable. The Weber Lumin features a marked control knob that allows you to easily switch between searing, steaming, smoking, and warming modes. This intuitive control system makes it accessible for both novice and experienced grillers. You don't have to worry about complicated settings or guesswork. Lumin's straightforward design ensures you can focus on cooking rather than managing the grill. The Weber Lumin is available in an array of colors, allowing you to choose one that best suits your style and outdoor space. The yellow model is particularly striking, adding a pop of color to your patio or balcony. Its modern design, combined with the durable porcelain enameled steel exterior, ensures it not only looks good but also stands up to the elements. The stylish design means you won't mind leaving it out on display, and it will likely become a conversation piece at your gatherings. Cleaning up after grilling can be a chore, but the Weber Lumin makes it easier with its front access grease tray. This tray is easy to remove and clean, ensuring that grease and drippings don't create a mess. The porcelain enameled steel exterior is also easy to wipe down, keeping your grill looking pristine with minimal effort. This ease of cleaning means you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time worrying about the aftermath. The compact and space-efficient design of the Weber Lumin makes it ideal for small outdoor areas. Weighing in at under 9 pounds, it's easy to move and store. Whether you need to stow it in a closet or garage, or simply relocate it to another part of your patio, Lumin's portability ensures it can adapt to your needs. Despite its small footprint, it offers ample cooking space to handle a family meal or a small gathering of friends. The Weber Lumin Outdoor Electric Barbecue Grill is a versatile, high-performing, and stylish solution for urban dwellers who love to grill. Its ability to reach high temperatures, multifunctional cooking settings, and convenient features like keep warm and grilling from frozen make it a standout choice. The ease of control, stylish design, and compact size further enhance its appeal. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting, the Weber Lumin promises to deliver an exceptional grilling experience. Investing in the Weber Lumin means you don't have to sacrifice grilling quality for space. It's designed to bring the joy of outdoor cooking to even the smallest of spaces, ensuring you can enjoy delicious, grilled meals anytime. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.